Hi guys, Ariel with Arielpaints. I know what you're thinking. Where have you been? I've been wondering the same thing. So I haven't posted a video for a while. I've been busy, and over the holidays from the end of October through early January, I was so sick. One of the videos I posted, I even mentioned my throat hurt and my voice was going away. I lost my voice in the middle of a gig with one of my friends, luckily, was painting with me, but awful sick. So all my plans for the holidays and the videos that I was going to make went totally out of the window. So unfortunately, I have not filmed for what seems like forever. And I know a lot of you have noticed that I've been kind of MIA. So first of all, I want to say that I'm not gone. I will continue to make videos in 2020, so don't go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. But one of the videos I planned on making was my 2019 favorites video. I was so excited to make it, and I was just too sick. There was no way I could have been on camera. I could barely talk. It lasted for months. It was awful. So all those plans gone, but it is a new year. It is 2020, and I'm really excited. I am going to continue to make videos. I always want to hear from you guys. And I'm also about to reach a pretty cool milestone on my channel. I'm really close to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube as of this morning. As of this morning, I have 9,902 subscribers. There's over 9,000 of you. That blows my mind. I will never forget when I had 2 subscribers, and I was so thankful for the 2 of you. I hope you're still with me. So I love all of you to death, and I'm so grateful that you've subscribed to my channel, that you followed me, that you communicate with me. I get messages from all over the world, and I'm incredibly grateful, and I love helping you guys. I truly, truly like helping. So since I wasn't able to do my 2019 favorites video, I thought it might be fun to do a giveaway with some of my favorites and some other cool stuff as kind of a thank you to everyone, and to get to mention a few of my favorites from this last year as well. So I'm going to show you some things that I have. I'm going to do a giveaway kind of bag of all sorts of fun stuff. In order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment below this video and tell me what videos you want to see in 2020. I'm going to be a little bit more select about the videos that I make in this coming year. I'm probably not going to make as many. There were years, a few years, where I posted at least 1 video, sometimes 2 videos a week. That's really hard to do. So I probably won't do that this year, but I do want to really micro focus on exactly what you guys want to see. And I know I have a wide range of viewers too. I've got really, really new painters, and I've got painters that are as experienced as me or really more experienced than me that just enjoy watching, which I totally get because I love watching videos. Any video anybody posts about face painting, I will watch. So I am grateful for all of you. But I want to know, what would help you? What do you want to see? What sounds fun? So please comment down below this video. All you have to do is scroll all the way down. I always get this question when I do a giveaway. How do I do a comment? I don't know how to comment on YouTube. All you do is scroll all the way down. You're going to scroll through what looks like more videos, and then when you get to the bottom, it's going to say add a comment. Tell me what you want to see. It will be a random selection as always. I have an algorithm and an app that I hit go on, and it picks someone. So as much as I love you all, you can beg me all you want in the comments. I am going to make this completely random. So also, please just enter once. I've had people try to comment like 50 times just to get something, and the algorithm is going to kick you out because that's part of it. This really cool thing I use that actually will help fairly pick someone in contests like this, which I really like using because then it's not up to me. But it does kick you out if you try to enter more than twice or something like that. So please just comment what you'd like to see. And this will not be restricted to just the US. All over the world, anyone can enter. So no matter where you are, I will ship this to you if you win it. So that being said, Let's get into some of the things I'm going to throw into this little goodie bag. Okay, so let's start with the paint because that's everybody's favorite. Fusion has been one of my favorite brands this last year, and Leanne's colors have always been some of my favorite combinations, and she is a doll. So I'm going to include in here Snow Queen, which is a great split for so many things. The classic Leanne's rainbow and the neon rainbow. So whoever wins is going to get those 3 awesome 1-strokes. The other thing that's been my favorite from Fusion are the neons. Oh my gosh, their neons. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go check out the neon Fusion pics I've posted. They are so yummy and so breathtaking. I adore them. One of my other absolute 100% all-time favorites is this Silly Farm split by Susie Amaro, and it is called Unicorn, and it's just a black and white split. I go through these like candy. I love these. It is so simple, but it's great for everything. I could paint an entire job with just this 1-stroke, I swear. If I had to bring one thing with me, it would be this and glitter and a brush, and I'd be happy as a clam. The whole line is really cool too. If you're a brand new face painter and you're looking at all the face paint and you don't know what to get, I would just get this entire line. You would have Roy G. Biv, every color you need in very logical combinations, because all of them are like kind of a monochromatic version of the rainbow with a dark black edge for lining. Amazing. So I'm going to give you this, even though it's hard for me to part with it. I'll get another one. All right, I'm going to toss in a couple Gypsy Shrine glitters. These are awesome. These are loose glitters, and they're Chunky Mermaid, and the Silver Eclipse is so pretty. It's got these little moons and stars in it. I adore it. So I'm going to give you a couple of those. I also have a couple samples of glitter. I've got a Vivid Glitter sample, and then I've got a Body Art Shop sample. One is pink and one is kind of like a mermaid blue. So I'm going to throw those in there. I am going to toss in a couple bags of daubers, which these always come in handy. So these are nice too because there's 4 different sizes in each pack. So I'm going to give you 2 of those. I'm also going to throw in a couple of these glitter applicators. These are from the Face Painting Shop. I've really enjoyed using these because I was getting too much chunky glitter on my fingers, and I use these with gel glitter or cream. I use a lot of the American Body Art glitter creams and gels, but when I use these applicators, then I end up not having to wipe my hands as much, so I really like those. And then I'm going to throw in some of my favorite lipstick applicators as well. I have some loose bling, which these are one of my favorites. There's these little tiny pretty pastel flowers, and they're really cute just to stick individually around designs to give it an extra 3-dimensional, really girly, like flirty, sweet look. So I'm going to toss some of those in. You're also going to get a Gypsy Shrine face jewel mask. These are peel and use. There's already adhesive on them, and this one's kind of got like a pink and champagne tone to it, so I'm going to give you one of those. And last but not least, the Face Painting Shop. My favorite brushes, you guys know, pink tips I can't live without. This is a 3/4 inch short flat brush, so saved the best for last because I love the Face Painting Shop and I love their brushes. So it's kind of a mix of all sorts of different stuff, most of which are things that I use on every job. So I hope you guys are excited. I really do just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for following me, all the messages I get. You guys are so, so sweet. And I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. I've just been sick and busy like all of us, and making videos just went to the very, very bottom of my list. But I want to make videos in 2020 that you guys want to see. So please comment down below. The contest will stay open. I'll probably do it for longer than 48 hours this time, just because I haven't posted a video for a while, so I want to make sure everybody gets to see it. So let's say I'll keep it open for like 3 or 4 days. and then I will close it. When it is closed, I will change the description of this video from open to closed, so you will know when the contest is over. I also want to mention that if you guys are trying to get a hold of me or talk to me or ask me a question, do it on YouTube. The comments on YouTube are filtered in a different way where it's easier for me to respond. Those of you that have been following me for a while or talked to me on YouTube probably know I answer every single person who messages me or comments under a video on YouTube. It's harder for me to answer your questions on Instagram. Please follow me there. I post stuff that has nothing to do with YouTube and nothing to do with my content on YouTube. So I love that you guys follow me and try to interact with me. But if I get 50 questions under an Instagram post, it's so much harder for me to respond to you guys. Same thing with Facebook, where YouTube, it's just so much easier for me to answer it because it's filtered in a different way. I know that's probably doesn't make a lot of sense if you're not creating content on YouTube, but it's just so much easier for me, and I guarantee you I will respond to you on YouTube. So if you've been trying to ask me something, please do it on YouTube. It's hard to keep up with it all, so if I ever don't respond to you, it's not because I don't care. I truly try to respond to everybody, and there's people that I message with on Facebook all the time that would probably, hopefully tell you the same thing. It might take me a while to get back to you, but I really do care about helping you guys, and I want to help. So if you guys can try to message me on YouTube, it would be really, really easier for me to respond to those comments, so I appreciate it. And again, comment down below. I can't wait to see who wins this one. Thank you guys so much for almost 10,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see who wins, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will most likely be one of your suggestions. So thanks so much for watching. Happy 2020, and I love you all. Mwah.